Hello guys, this is your host and first all welcome to the live streaming of Forex Planet. Hope you are all doing good. If you are new, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So basically, as you can see, this is the chart of gold. This is the chart of Bitcoin on a monthly time period. So if a monthly time period, if I extend a trend line from upper zone to upper zone, this will be the area of Bitcoin, and the very next move it can make a new all-time high with the 129. Okay, let me explain you with the help of an example. As you can see on your chart, okay, so let's count the monthly wicks. Here we have almost 4 to 5 monthly wicks, and after giving a rejection by 4 to 5 monthly wicks, the gold gave a move of almost 68,000 to 16,000. It is a move of almost $52,000. Again, once we have a VIX spikes on 3 spikes in the lower side, it is an area of 78,000, but after 78,000 it gave a move of 128, almost 50 plus thousands. Okay, and again if we copy the structure from that point, let me clone this. Okay, this is the clone I have done made, and once again we have a weeks of almost 3 months. So this move was expected. This is nothing, this is none there is no crash here. This was expected from the previous data. We have 3 spikes here, we have 3 spikes here. We don't follow this structure because this is a rebound zone, a correction zone. Again we have 3 weeks in the upside direction, we gave a selling move. Again we have a 3 weeks in the lower side direction, and BTC gave a bullish move. So this is nothing, there is no crash in this Bitcoin. Okay, so let's move to weekly chart so we can find out many other opportunities. Okay, so this is weekly chart. The condition is very similar. The BTC should hold here because this was a resistance level, and BTC should not break this level because there is a proper many support levels here, not one. 108, 103, 100, and almost 98. The next support level we have is 92. So the gold the BTC, let me I am very sorry, I have just made a video on gold, that's why I am talking about gold. Okay, so if we extend a trend line just like that, if the current weekly candle will close above the zone, above the trend line, then we will say that the BTC will continue its buy trend. If somehow unfortunately BTC gave a selling move in the downside period, then be ready again for this support level which is present on the 75,000. But I am very hopeful that the BTC will get some buying pressure from that structure, and it will give enough buying to make its new all-time high. Okay, so now what should we do? We should only wait for the BTC to reject this trend line. Opportunity number 1, if BTC break this trend line, then we will have to wait to hold this on the major support level, and after that we will see a major rise in the BTC, and it will make a new all-time high. If we extend a trend line just like that, we can extend a proper one, then the 137 will be its new target. Don't forget to subscribe the channel if you like the video. If you still have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching and take care.
Forex Planet.